Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You should start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio plus JDK 11 or newer, and an enabled device with USB debugging. Once installed, open Android Studio and choose New Project. Pick Empty Activity to keep things simple. Make sure to name the package logically, use a clear app name, and set the minimum SDK depending on target devices. This gets you a working Gradle project and the basic file structure so you can compile and run quickly. No extra steps wasted. Once done with setup, focus on the middle workflow. Open the project view and locate manifest, Kotlin/Java, and res/layout files so you know where UI and logic live. You will edit main activity to add behavior and modify activity main. XML for UI. Use the preview and layout inspector to see changes immediately. Make sure to run Gradle sync after edits, resolve dependency, or compile errors as they appear. Then build the APK or launch the emulator to validate functionality before moving to finalization. To finish, run thorough testing. Install your build on different devices and API levels, and watch Logcat for exceptions so you can pinpoint failures. Once stable, optimize by removing unused resources and verifying ProGuard or R8 rules to avoid stripping needed code. When ready to ship, increment version code and produce assigned APK or AAB, run lint and unit tests before release. If something goes wrong, check Gradle console first, then clear caches and rebuild. That fixes most build-related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.